Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to the another video of Nakash Tech. In this video I will tell you how you can add icons in any website. Here is one CSS file and here is HTML file and I connect CSS file to HTML. Now we start the video. Here we create one div with the class name container. Save this file, open the file. Here is nothing. Go to the Google and type icons. Click on the first link. Here click on the usage. Now copy the script. After copy the script, come to Visual Studio and paste it here. Now again back to Google, click on the icons. Now you just search here your icon. I search Facebook. You can see here is one Facebook logo. Click on this. Now just click in this. Text will be copied. Now just paste it here. Save this file and refresh the file. Now you can see here is one logo. Back to Visual Studio, we edit this logo. First of all, we edit the whole page. Margin 0, padding also 0. Now we copy this class name container. Class container. Height will be 100 VH. Width 100%. Background white smoke. Display will be flex. Line items will be in center. Justify content center. Now refresh the page. Now you can see our icon is here. After this, we copy this icon, paste it here for edit the icon. For example, color will be Facebook color icon will be blue and set the font size also. Font size will be, for example, 5 em. Now refresh the website. Here you can see our icon will be settled. We add one more icon, like we type girl. Click on this icon, copy this and paste it here. Sorry, copy this again and paste it here. Now we I will check you firstly. Now you can see here is one more icon but its color same. We edit this icon and we will add some class. Class will be girl. We copy this class name girl. We change the color of this icon. Girl color will be red. Refresh. Now you can see here is color is red. I hope you understand how to add any icon. Before ending the video, I request you to please subscribe my YouTube channel Nakash Tech. Allah Hafiz.